What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how we install this carbon fiber spoiler on my E90 335i. Stay tuned if you want to see how it's done. Alright, so first you're going to want to wipe down the trunk, clean it with just a little bit of cleaner, and then next you would want to wipe it down with a little bit of alcohol just to try to remove the contaminants so you get a nice clean stick with the tape. All right, so next you're gonna wanna use some alcohol, put a little bit on a rag, and then kind of just clean the area that you're gonna be mounting the spoiler. So I ordered this little tape kit off ECS Tuning. It comes with these end little pieces and then a roll of tape. And I just already put some of that on here, but I'm gonna do another layer of that up on top just to get a nice seal there. Close enough. Alright, now time to mount this. Alright, so once you have the tape on there, you're going to want to make the cuts right here and on the back side, so then you can line it back up. It's not going to be perfect, but I mean, it'll do. So I'm going to take it off now, then we're going to peel the tape off.
Keep it up a little until you're lined up, and then we'll both go down.
Make sure the back tape too.
Are you're putting yours down?
No, not yet. Are you?
No.
Looks good. Looks good to me. Are you going down?
No.
Oh, yeah, you did.
All on one side, like.
Alright, I'm gonna go down.
Are you going backward? Are you?
Well, how many times did we have to rip it off on
So
that?
many. It's nice to take though, isn't it? Let me take a little left to take too now.
Is it on in the corner? Line up or no? You know what I'm saying?
Tell me. Does it need to go forward? Really down?
I'm trying to hold that in that position right there.
Yeah.
But don't push really down too hard. Right, I think if you're holding that where it was, do you think that's pretty lined up over there?
Yeah, but I need to push it down more to get this to stay
Yeah, same. So I think if we just push it down, it's gonna be good, right?
You gotta hold it for a sec, I'll just move it. Because there's a gap, at least on this side.
Oh no, this thing is like not meant for the car.
I got this off Amazon.
Okay.
So it's only like $150, but I already put it on once and there was gaps. So I took it off, so this is kind of just like the final try.
What did you take?
Yeah.
3M?
Yeah, it was like a kind of a kit.
3M,
There's 3M
3M
there,
double-sided, that red, yeah.
There's no gap, Ryan.
Let's just keep doing this for like a few minutes.
Yeah, like I said, I think I'd like push down on the corner, Ryan, like right here where I am. Yeah, there we go. And then
Nice little down then.
Far down. Yeah, because last time I didn't have tape all the way across too, so you could kind of see the gaps. Now, if you can see the tape, it's just going to be one line, so it won't look like that bad.
No, it'll look way better than
And I know-
last time.
Just going to give it a little wipe down. The fingerprints off of it.
I want the highest ones. You know what I mean?
Yeah, right. So you don't know if you want it that bright.
No, I want it bright. I drive a lot.
What's going on, everybody? So it's the next day here. We ran out of light yesterday, and in the daylight, I mean, I'm pretty happy with how it looks. There's not really any gaps anywhere. Like I said, I got this off Amazon for $150, and it was a little deformed, so we had to really push it down and make sure it was secure. It's on there good though, and it's about as good as it's gonna get. Pretty happy with how it turned out. So thanks for watching this video, everybody. Hopefully you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and stay tuned because we're gonna be installing this M3 bumper and getting it painted within the next couple of weeks. Thank you.